Ugh. I am so bored as heck. So what should I do when I'm very bored? Oh. It looks like William has texted me on my phone. I wonder what it says on my phone. Oh. Since William sent me messages, I will use an earthquake simulator to cause an earthquake at Rapper City. Ha 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 ha. Let's do it. Ha 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 ha. Now that earthquake will be starting in a few seconds. Let's go to Rapper City Dance Club from now before it starts.
So, you two must be Brandon and Cindy. We are glad that you two are came back. Yes, I am. Well, to tell you, it's because Filbert owned our group, the Brandon Mates, and get their new looks. So that's why me and Cindy are still couples.
Yay. I agree with you, Brandon. And even though little KJ owned the Popster Squad, and Xavier and Christina are still couples now.
I agree with you, Cindy. So, let's go to McDonald's, because we're so hungry.
Guys, what is that?
I don't know, Ruben, but it looks like it's an earthquake. It looks like it's coming to us.
Oh my god, the earthquake is coming to us. Let's get out of here.
Well, there you are, Bert. We are so glad that you survived an earthquake. And thank God you were glad in the dance club.
Yeah. I agree with you, Danielle. And we are so glad that you got survived for the earthquake.
But wait, how did you manage to get an earthquake in here? Well, we don't know. Maybe we should go something to see what happens.
Yay, but the good thing is that we have a radio so we can listen in the news. So, let's go. Hey Donald and Miranda. How did you get the radio on the table?
Well, Sabrina, I just got the radio that I found in the dance club and I bought it outside after the earthquake.
Well, I agree with you, Donald. And with all that being said, let's hear the radio news to see what happens.
Yeah, I agree with you, my boyfriend Donald and Miranda.
Same here. Well, let's hear the news on the radio in a way.
Good afternoon on the breaking news. This is Mindy Allwine here. So apparently, the massive earthquake caused at Rapper City, all the people has been saved by causing an earthquake at the city. And also, someone who uses earthquake simulator to cause an earthquake, it was Bert Edwards. And Bert Edwards, if you are watching this, you will have to pay the bills. Anyways, this is Mindy Allwine, signing off.
Well. It was actually the one who causes an earthquake by earthquake simulator, because it's for revenge. Ha 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 ha.
Oh God. What a troublemaker Bert is. I can't believe Bert is already grounded by us, and he got grounded too by his parents. And now Bert is already in his room.
I know, right, Miranda? Thank God Bert is gone. I hope he's not doing it again.
I agree with you. Well then, let's go back to the dance party to have fun instead. Let's go.
Yeah. Also, I will put the radio back to the dance party as well.
I agree with you, Donald, my boyfriend. Let's go to the dance party now.